Hello, 朋友们，大家好 Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow. Today we are making Chinese steamed bun. Growing up, my mom made this for me, and now I make this for my family. This is my family recipe, and I will show you how to make it. Let's get started. Let's start by mixing yeast, sugar, and warm water together. Then mix the solution with wheat flour. When it starts to clump together, knead the dough. After everything is mixed, roll it into a bowl and cover it. Let it rise into double the size. This takes about 1 to 1.5 hours. Now let's make the filling. Cut the green onion. Then mince the ginger. And slice the cabbage. Then mince it. Next, mix the ground pork with cabbage, green onion, ginger, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, cornstarch, water, and sesame oil. Wow, look at how the dough turned out. It's nice and fluffy. Now spread some flour on the surface. Take the dough out and start rolling it. Then we want to split it into 10 pieces. Press the dough down with your hands. Then use a roller to flatten out the dough. The outside should be thinner than the inside. Now let's put the filling in the middle. Pinch the dough together as you close it. This is how it looks like when it's done. Spread with some water. Then put a cheesecloth on the steamer. Now add the buns in and steam for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn the heat off and leave it for 5 minutes. Now the bun is done. Wow, looks good. Time for this test. That bite is very good. The skin is sweet and fluffy. The meat filling is savory. Lian tasted ginger and sesame oil. It's very good. If you guys have any questions and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment those questions down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。